And so my biggest question, did my credit score live up to whatever I would need? And I was really actually nervous about someone even pulling my credit. Hi, I'm Shannon, and I'm buying back my life.
When your credit was pulled, did you have to do anything pre-purchase to get ready to purchase? Or were you kind of already in a good place?
So not in a good place necessarily, but really more, I was gathering information. And what I thought I needed to do was pay off all my credit cards before applying for a mortgage, or even, right, like just to see. And what I learned is that I didn't have to do that, because I was trying to decide, do I use the cash that I have now, extend my lease for 4 or 5 months, do a month to month, and try to pay off my credit cards before applying. And one day, honestly, it was just kind of a knee-jerk reaction decision to just apply. And I used a company that uses like an online platform, so it was pretty easy to do right where I was. And then my concern, though, after starting the process and hearing sort of what would be the next steps, my concern still remained to be my credit score. And so what I did is I asked if I could speak to one of their credit specialists just to learn more. And that conversation changed everything.
What was it about the conversation?
So the person who helped me, I told her what I was nervous about, which was pulling my credit score, because you hear that once it's pulled, that your number's going to go down, and that was really bad because I'd actually just applied for a prepaid credit card to help build my credit. Right, this is how serious I was about doing that. And then I looked at my credit report, and it was an added credit card, which then meant that my score went down, and I didn't know that was going to happen at all. I did not realize that. It wasn't part of the signing up process. It was, more about building your credit and not impacting it that way. So I just had that happen, and so I was really nervous. But what she was able to convince me of was by pulling the credit from her side, the lender side, I think is how she put it, it wasn't going to impact my credit score that I see on the front end, which is like the retail score.
Yeah, because they call it a soft pull.
Yes.
Yeah. If you're thinking, hey, I can relate, but I have no idea where to start, well, I got you. So check the link in the description for the new guide that was created just for you. Go ahead, take the first step. Click the link, drop your email, and we'll get that guide right to you. Now let's